कहाँ गए थे? Where had you been to? Where had you been to? मैं उससे मिलने गया था। I went to meet her. I went to meet her. वैसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Anyway, why are you asking? तुम्हारा दोस्त कहाँ है? Where is your friend? Where is your friend? वह अपने घर में है। He is at his home. तुम थक गए होगे। You must be tired. You must be tired. जाओ थोड़ा आराम कर लो। Go have some rest. Go have some rest. ठीक कहा तुमने। You said it right. You said it right. क्या तुम यही ढूंढ रहे थे? Is this what were you looking for? Is this what were you looking for? तुम्हें कहाँ से मिला ये? You can say, from where did you find it? From where did you find it? वह शायद ही कभी यहाँ आती है। She seldom comes here. She seldom comes here. उसने ही पहले कॉल किया था। It was she who called first. It was she who called first. मैं बिना बुलाए किसी के यहाँ नहीं जाता। I don't go anywhere without invitation. तुम कुछ ज़्यादा ही सोचते हो। You think more than necessary. You think more than necessary. इतना क्यों सोचते हो तुम? Why do you think so much? Why do you think so much? तुम्हें ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। You don't need to think much. मुझे भी उसके लिए बुरा लग रहा है। I am also feeling bad for him. पर हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। But we can't do anything. But we can't do anything. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मैं यहाँ शॉपिंग कर रहा हूँ। You can say, I am doing shopping here. I am doing shopping here. क्या क्या खरीदा तुमने? You can ask, what all did you buy? What all did you buy? भैया वो पीला वाला दिखाना। कई बार आप ऐसे बोलते हैं, Bro, show me that yellow one. Bro, show me that yellow one. चलो ना आपका ना मेरा 500 में दे दो। Let's split the difference and make it 500. ये सब छोड़ो, चलो कुछ खाते हैं। Let it be, let's eat something. Let it be, let's eat something. मैं अभी कुछ नहीं खा सकता। I can't eat anything now. I can't eat anything now. मेरे मुंह में छाला हो गया है। You can say, I have got ulcer in my mouth. I have got ulcer in my mouth. इसे मजाक में मत लो। Don't take it jokingly. Don't take it jokingly. मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ। I am speaking the truth. I am speaking the truth. तकलीफ़ें बहुत कुछ बदल देती हैं। Affliction change a lot of things. मेरे सामने उसका नाम भी मत लेना। Don't mention even his name in front of me. वह मेरा मुँह बोला भाई है। You can say, He is my so-called brother. He is my so-called brother. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. ज़्यादा चर्बी चढ़ गई है क्या? Have you gained excess fat or what? Have you gained excess fat or what? तुम उसे कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? Where are you taking him to? Where are you taking him to? तुम अपने काम से काम रखो. You mind your own business. You mind your own business. तुम्हें मुझसे क्या मतलब है? What do you have to do with me? What do you have to do with me? तुम मुझसे पूछ सकते थे. You could have asked me. You could have asked me. ये बात फलां व्यक्ति बोल रहे थे. So and so was saying this. So and so was saying this. किसी से लड़ाई करना ही क्यों है? Why to fight with anyone? Why to fight with anyone? उसका भाई बहुत हट्टा कट्टा है. Her brother is very hale and hearty. आप मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हैं. You can count on me. You can count on me. अब जो हो गया सो हो गया. Now what is done can't be undone. Now what is done can't be undone. आगे से मैं ध्यान रखूँगा. I will take care in the future. I will take care in the future. कल रात की उतरी नहीं है क्या? Didn't last night sober up? मैं हार मानने वालों में से नहीं हूँ. I'm not one of those who give up. I'm not one of those who give up. अच्छा हुआ कि मैं नहीं गया. It's good that I didn't go. It's good that I didn't go. नहीं तो मैं उससे झगड़ा कर लेता. Or else I would have fought with him. मुझे झूठ बोलने वालों से नफरत है. I hate liars. I hate liars.